found one for him.
I found a couple. Let's go find some more eggs.
So my eggs tonight.
Your eggs? Let's see. Wow.
Let's see my
Let's go find some more eggs.
My egg.
Blue bear. Look over there. Right there in that bookcase. Oh, you found an egg! You found an egg! Look over here, bear. Here, let him find it. Let him find it. Come here. Look. Look right there. No. You found an egg!
I'm really good at finding eggs because I found all these.
Wow.
And my pet little eggs. Never give up. Never. Bye.
Brody.
Might be upstairs too.
I don't know. Little bear.
Hey, Mom.
Brody. Brody.
Don't look.
Brody bear. What's in there? Oh, what'd you find?
Downstairs. You got an egg! Yay! Want to put it in the bag? Oh, you got some eggs. Yeah, you got your bag.
He is finding some.
That's fine. Let's keep looking.
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Happy Easter. Let's let you
Happy Easter, Mom.
Happy Easter, monkey.
Dad, I already said happy Easter.
You got a bike? You did.
You
Thank
think I bike?
Oh, we got a red bike. Look at that.
I got razors.
You did? Wow. That sounds like fun.
Hey, Bear, you gotta find more eggs.